What's up you guys, it's Brandon from BlazeTech here, and in today's video we're going to be teaching you how you can pretty much install a moving wallpaper. So that's cool. When I first started trying to do this I couldn't figure it out, and I figured it out pretty much by accident. But other than that, if you enjoy this video today, don't forget to smash like, also subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you can check out my socials. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. And on Twitch I stream every 9:30 a.m. Australian Standard Time on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So that's pretty much the way we play games and just chill out. But other than that, we'll jump into the video and show you how you can install this, how you can do it, and bada bing bada boom, get your moving wallpaper. Right, so as you can see, this is not a moving wallpaper, it's just so in Korea, right? So what you're gonna first wanna do is go to your browser, right? Go to Microsoft, go to Google Chrome, go to whatever. Go here and just go to Google. And what you're gonna want to do is just type in Steam. And you're gonna want to sign up, make an account. It's free, don't worry. And just sign in Steam and install the app. I recommend it. Then log in with all your information and you should be good. So after that, once it's installed, you can either click it on your desktop right here, or you can just come to the start bar and type in Steam, however you like to do it, and pretty much come into your account, and that's easy as that. So you're going to want to come to the search restore option and type in wallpaper engine. So wallpaper engine. So for me this costs $6.59, yeah, well $6.49. So for US people that's probably like $3 or $4, and you're gonna want to simply do like add to cart, then buy it, then you're gonna want to jump over to your library. So just up here, library, and if it comes up with all this stuff and you can't find it, two options: either just scroll through your games or whatever and find wallpaper engine, or you can just type in Wall, unless you got another game called Wall. I can't think of a game called Wall, but look for wallpaper engine, right? So you want to click on wallpaper engine and it'll come up with this. Once you're here, you're gonna want to say install. And for some reason I just realized there's achievements on this, but anyway, so you're gonna want to install it to the default section in your directory, or you can create a whole separate directory, which is what I did, specifically for Steam. It's my Steam, it's just the dedicated section. You're just gonna want to simply click next and it's gonna install for you, and I just clicked away from it. So it takes like a few seconds. So wallpaper engine is now installed. So what you're gonna want to do is click on the little icon, this right here. So double click and it's gonna install it. It's not gonna take long. It's a extremely small file, so you don't gotta worry about like, oh, this is gonna take me forever, because literally by the time I'm done saying the sentence it's gonna be installed, or a bit after. And just say yes, and now it's ready to launch. So just say launch, and it's just gonna do one final setup. Gonna be very simple, unless you have a slow laptop or whatever, then it might take a little bit longer, but genuinely it's okay. So once you come here, you're just gonna want to keep it in default English, unless you speak another language like Chinese or something like that, and you guys want to pick Mandarin or Cantonese. Quality depends on your specs, but I can typically go with high quality because I have good specs. Look at your specs, look at the analytics of what you have, then pretty much go forward from there. But for this example, since I have a good computer, I'm just gonna keep it on high. So just say next. What you're gonna want to do is, if you're gonna want to set this to automatically boot up when you launch your computer or open your computer or start it, whatever, you're gonna want to set to high priority. I'm not going to do that because I just prefer my sole background, but I used to before, when I had no pretty images or whatever, I used to just set this on auto start because I liked having it on auto start. So adjust the windows colors. I just kept that disabled. Dark theme I like more because it doesn't strain my eyes too badly, and that's pretty much just saying where your wallpaper engine will be accessible if you want to just access it from your taskbar. So just say all done, and once you have come here, I have two monitors. So this monitor 1 is the one you're looking at now, and monitor 2 is the one I'm just recording on. So I'm gonna say monitor 1, which is this one. I just want to change, so change wallpaper, and let's change it to something that I've not worked with before. Yep. So if you want to change monitors, you can come up here and you can select monitor 1 or monitor 2. Just click this, click which one you want to do, and you can delete or change wallpapers if you want to. So for this example, we're gonna say change wallpaper. So let's go to discover, because I want to find something new that's cool. What do I like? There's a lot of anime people. Not saying it's bad, but there's a lot of anime people. Let's just go with shooting star. Actually, let's go with Star Wars requests. Actually, no, let's go with Ford Mustang. So what you're gonna want to say is subscribe. It's not an actual subscription, but you just gotta say subscribe. You gotta trust me. So say subscribe, and it will do the download, right? So for some reason mine is pending. I think it's because I got an update going on in Steam. So let's just check Steam. Yes, I do have something going on. Alright, so since that is now completed, I'm just gonna let Rainbow install in the background. So once you have clicked subscribe and now it's good, so what you're gonna want to do is come back to installed, and you're gonna want to find whatever one you just downloaded. So for me, it's the Ford Mustang one. So I will click on it, and I will choose monitor 1, and just say change wallpaper. Click on this. Just one click is fine. And once you minimize it, as you can see, it's a moving wallpaper. And if you look closely, every time I move my mouse, you get a little star thing around it, which is cool. So as you can see, it's August 21st now, 2020 at 11:23 AM. I like the car, it's very cool. We've made a lot of improvements because I haven't used this specifically for about a year or so. So, and if we go back to the workshop, wallpaper engine, and we go to workshop, and for some reason you can now hide anime. Let's just say show anime. Actually, hide anime for YouTube. So as you can see, you got these different sections. There's so many different types. There's like gaming, mountains, cyberpunk, and as you can see on the left hand side, there are all these types of tags and filters, variety in a whole different manner of things. Resolution, you can select by resolution. Age range, let's see what's in mature, and you can put in a day. Let's put my birthday. That's close enough to my birthday. So these are for like 22-year-old people. Yeah, no, that's cool, but I'm gonna uncheck that. Just go to everyone, and you can pretty much select what you want. So if you forgot, let's say I want the Assassin's Creed Syndicate logo, just single click subscribe, and that will download. And you go to installed, and you'll go find it. Let's say, for example, this Deep Space one is actually the Assassin's Creed one, and then you just click on it and choose monitor 1 or 2 or whatever, and just click on it, and bada bing bada boom, it is there. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick, easy video. You got any questions or whatever, just leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer whatever they are. But yeah, my advice is if you have children or like kids or whatever, don't do hentai or whatever. It's weird. But hey, I'm not one to judge you. You can do what you want. Just don't want people to feel uncomfortable. But anyway, other than that, this is Brandon from BlazeTech. I really hope you enjoyed this quick video, and another video will be up on Friday around 9:30 AM Australian Central Standard Time. But other than that, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to know when my next video is live, as well as follow my socials. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. Links will be on screen, as well as linked in the description box below. If you follow me there, I'd really appreciate it, and if you hop into my Twitch, I'd be very thankful for that. And just remember to check out other videos, it'd be very cool. And if you guys want to support the channel, I have all of my equipment that I use linked below, and the affiliate links for Amazon, and if you buy stuff from there, helps me out financially. So other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.